Good morning students. Today in this video we will discuss about the chapter Challenges of Nation Building. Now in the previous video we have discussed about the different aspects of the chapter, that after the partition of India and Pakistan, India faced three different challenges: how to restore democracy, how to develop national integration, and how to boost the economy of the country. Now further in this chapter we will discuss about the reorganization of different states. So reorganization of states was done in 1953 by a act which is called Reorganization of States Act, and this reorganization of states was done on the advice of the Fazal Ali Commission, which was created by the central government of India. So in 1953 the State Reorganization Act was passed in the parliament, and 14 different states were carved out in Union of India. So 14 states were there in the beginning. Andhra Pradesh was the first state which was created on the basis of linguistic diversity, because there were many linguistic groups in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh was made for Telugu speakers. Tamil Nadu was made for Tamil speakers. Kannada speakers got Karnataka, and the Malayalam speakers got Kerala. In this manner, the linguistic criteria became the criteria of basis for the creation of states. So these states were created, and later on other states were also created on the same criteria. Now we discuss about the reorganization of states. Taking it to further level, we discuss how the states reacted upon this criteria, because there were some states who were not willing to join the Union of India. So some states were opposing the criteria also. But after this act was passed by the parliament, it has become clear that now India will have 14 different states, and these states were created on the basis of language, and the language is also important criteria in the whole country, because we had different languages spoken in different parts of the country. That is why this criteria was taken by the government. And in the later period, people experienced that linguistic diversity was enhanced by the thought of creating these states on the same criteria, that is the language of the state. And talking about the Reorganization Act, we also see that there are so many factors which correlates with the policies of the government. So when the government makes any policy, it takes into account the population of the state, the area of the state, the size of the population, the density of the population, the languages spoken in the state, different communities and religions living together in the state, and how the state has performed in the past 10 years. So all these criteria are still in practice to judge the performance of the state, whether the state is a poor state, whether the state is an underperforming state, whether the state is a rich state, or whether a state is excellent in different criteria. So this is how the government creates the parameters for the performance of the state after the independence of India.